What's going on, guys? It's Matt here doing my tactical ironing board review. It's pretty pathetic. I needed something to prop it up on so you guys could see. I got in the new muzzle brake and got that put on. Which this one... Okay, let me start off by this. I got it for an extremely good deal. I don't have any information about it. Okay, so I do not know what manufacturer it came from. It may just be a piece of crap milled out of someone's garage, but it's got a good look to it. It's off of a JP muzzle brake design. It's not an exact match because I went to the website and looked at every single model they offer. And they're all similar, but nothing matches this because these ports on the top of it are cut at an angle facing up. So when you time it, the gas escapes out that direction. Keeps the muzzle down. Now how well those two little holes work, who knows. I didn't really care about the actual recoil management or having a... I just wanted some big ass muzzle brake on the front of it, and I think that's what I got. I think I got one of the largest ones I could find without going with one of the bare arrowheads, which they do make for AR. So if you are interested in that, they do make an arrowhead brake for a 223. So, but the other thing to this one that's a little different than some of the other ones is the fact that this one uses a crush washer instead of a jam nut. So the problem is that you can't put a wrench around this thing to get it on. What I had to do was I took a screwdriver, wrapped it with a towel, stuck it through the opening, and then torqued it on with the crush washer. So it's on there now, but having an odd design. Most of the other JP will have a jam nut that it'll work with, and maybe this one is supposed to. Whatever. It didn't come with one, it came with the crush washer. If you're not familiar with the crush washer, let me show you. This is the bird cage that came off of it. So you can see the size difference, diameter, and also the length of it is quite a bit beefier. Finish on this one isn't extremely great, but you know, whatever. So, but yeah, the crush washer, it's just a, let me come down here and get it. Just a little piece that's tapered, and then so when you tighten it down, it actually flexes out, so that way you can keep tightening this down until you get it timed correctly, because there's only ports on the top, so you want to make sure you get that in line with the actual top of the rifle. So that's a new muzzle brake, pretty damn beefy. Supposed to be pretty loud too, except, well, out to the sides, but the front of it there, pretty menacing. I like that look. So that's that for parts and pieces and stuff like that. Like I said, new scope mounts to come here pretty soon. Well, at some point when I can afford to get a good glass put on it. And that way that rifle will be done and I can hang it up and never have to worry about it again. Yeah, right. You guys have an AR, if you've ever built one or messed with one, you know it's never over with. You're always constantly messing with crap on it. So, but no. And I've got some cheap little ergo panels. You see they're crapped up and scratched and all sorts of stuff that don't even match in color, but those are on for now, for the time being, until I get some either some of the hell, I don't know what kind of rails I want to put on it yet, or rail covers, or if I want to just put a ladder on or something, but for the time being, just have those on. So anyway, that's the new muzzle brake. We'll check it out this weekend, go shooting and see how it sounds, see how it looks, see how it functions. Although I just shoot this prone or bench top, so I don't really care about a recoil eliminator. I just wanted some fat ass muzzle brake. That's what I got. That is what I got. So, alright guys, take it easy.